In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to charge AI chatbots GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional chat experience ready to support conversations on your website with the core settings dialed in for both look and behavior. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account and heading to the main dashboard. From the left-hand navigation, go to Sites. This is the area where you manage everything visitor-facing, and it's where the chat experience is configured. Inside Sites, select Chat Widget. This is your control center for creating and managing the widget your visitors will see. Create a new widget to keep things organized and tailored to your use case. When prompted to choose the type of chat, consider how you want conversations to flow. For this walkthrough, select Live Chat. Even if you're layering in automation or AI later, starting from live chat ensures you have a reliable base experience that you can refine as you go. Next, open the Style section. Here you'll shape the visual identity of your widget so it aligns with your brand. Think about contrast and readability, especially for the chat bubble and header. Subtle color tweaks can make a big difference in perceived professionalism and accessibility. Move to widget placement to decide where and how the widget appears on your pages. Choose Sticky if you want the chat bubble to float consistently in a corner as users scroll. This is great for maximizing visibility and quick access. Also explore embedded or inline placement when you want the chat to live inside a specific section of a page, such as a support or pricing area. Inline placement can feel more integrated with your content and is helpful when you want the chat to be a part of a guided experience. Open the Chat Window tab to fine-tune what the chat box itself looks like once it's opened. This is where small details like header titles, avatar presence, or bubble styles help set the tone. Aim for clarity and a friendly, trustworthy feel. Finally, go to the Messaging tab. This is where you define the first impression in text, the greeting, any brief intro that sets expectations, and other key messages visitors see early in the conversation. Keep the language concise, on-brand, and helpful. If you mention availability, make sure it reflects your real response habits to build trust. That's it. You navigated from Sites to Chat Widget, created a new widget, selected Live Chat, set the style, chose between sticky and embedded placement, and reviewed both the chat window and messaging tabs. With these essentials configured, your chat experience is ready for real visitors.